This is the Family Engagement 5th grade math practice, solve, and play pack. This kit is chock full of supplemental learning resources that will help aid in learning recovery after a rough few years. These kits are wonderful in after-school programs, summer programs, or camps, as resources for a teacher in a classroom, or as hands-on materials for digital learners. But this kit is especially great for students to take home and get their whole family engaged in math. This kit comes in a sturdy handled bag so kids can take it easily from school to home and back and keep all their materials in one place, safe and dry. The cornerstone of this kit is this activity and instruction guide. This 24-page color guide is equally in both English and Spanish and provides a parent letter, information on the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build math skills. And we find that providing this type of support to parents to tell them how they can support their learner and what you're doing in the classroom, this really engages them and helps them become a part of your classroom community and helps them set their child up for success. This kit will also walk a teacher or a parent through every item in the kit. So the guide has each item here. This starts with our 3 double-sided dry erase mats. In this 5th grade kit, you'll see place value, perimeter and area, mean, median, mode, and range, a dot grid, a lined grid, and an open-ended board. These mats are wonderful for kids to practice over and over again on whatever level they're on, and they get that hands-on repeated practice. Try as many times as you need to, and if you need to take a break and come back to it, these are perfect for that. We also include a dry erase marker because we know not every family is going to have one at home, and we want to set the kids up for success to have everything they need. The kit also includes a Choose Your Method math journal. The neat thing about this journal is there's no one correct way to solve the problem. The children get to choose the method they use, so they can draw a picture, or they can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, however they feel it appropriate to solve that problem. They get to take the initiative and figure out how to do it. Or for that student who's a little ahead, do it in multiple ways. The kit will also give all the instructions for a game. Each kit will include a game for 2 to 4 players. This kit includes the MOOve mobile money exchange. And money is a great way to get kids to add, subtract, multiply with a concept that has real life applications. If you want to get the students to buy in, they just have to see how it applies to them. So this will help you do that. The great thing about a game, the kids can connect with their family, not even realize they're learning, but they'll also engage in some social emotional learning and pick up skills like taking turns, engaging in a set of rules, and active listening when it's not their turn. The kit also features 10 double-sided task cards where students can practice their fraction bars and dividing them up and seeing how different fractions take up different space on the bar. So all that practice with fractions is all hands-on, so students can manipulate it and really feel like they're a part of the process. Now, our guide will also include learning goals and a 30-day calendar of activities. These activities can be done in a classroom, but are especially great with a family. When a student practices math concepts every single day, they're going to develop that math fluency and confidence that they need, and that's transferable right into the classroom. So we hope this kit is going to be perfect for your families and your classrooms and create that school to home connection you're looking for.